In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily resubscribe a contact in Mailchimp. Whether you're managing a newsletter, running a marketing campaign, or simply keeping your audience engaged, ensuring that your contact list is up to date and accurate is crucial. However, sometimes a contact might unsubscribe or be marked as cleaned, and you need to bring them back into the fold. The good news is, Mailchimp makes this process straightforward, but only if you know where to look. So let's dive into the exact steps you need to follow to resubscribe someone and ensure you're in compliance with email marketing best practices. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the account you manage. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can access all of Mailchimp's features. Now, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. From this menu, click on the one labeled Audience. This is where all your email lists and contact information are stored. Once you're in the Audience section, the next step is to select All Contacts. Clicking on this will bring up your complete list of email contacts. It's essentially your master list, where you can manage everyone who has interacted with your campaigns, whether they're active subscribers, unsubscribed contacts, or cleaned addresses. Next, you'll want to locate the specific contact you're trying to resubscribe. To do this quickly, use the search bar at the top of the contact list. Type in their name or email address, whichever piece of information you have, and Mailchimp will filter your list to display that person. This step is particularly helpful if you're working with a large audience and can't scroll through hundreds or even thousands of entries manually. After you've found the contact, take a moment to verify their current status. It's important to check whether they are marked as unsubscribed or cleaned. Unsubscribed contacts are individuals who have opted out of receiving your emails, while cleaned contacts are ones whose email addresses are no longer valid or reachable. You'll need this information to proceed appropriately. Once you've verified their status, click on their name to open their detailed profile page. This is where you can view all the information Mailchimp has stored about the contact, such as their email address, subscription status, and any activity history. It's a good idea to double-check that you're working with the right person at this stage. On the profile page, look for a button labeled Edit or Actions, depending on your version of Mailchimp. This might appear as a drop-down menu or a clickable button. When you find it, click on it. A menu of options will appear, and you'll want to select the one that says Resubscribe. Now, before you finalize this action, it's absolutely essential to confirm that the contact has explicitly given their consent to receive your emails again. This is not just a suggestion, it's a requirement under email marketing laws like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. If you resubscribe someone without their permission, you could face legal consequences and damage your sender reputation. So make sure you have their clear consent before moving forward. Once you're confident that everything is in order, confirm the resubscription. Mailchimp will update the contact status, and they'll now be back on your active list of subscribers. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to resubscribe a contact in Mailchimp. Keeping your audience engaged and maintaining a clean, compliant email list is key to successful email marketing. And now you have one more tool in your toolkit to make that happen. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.